Hi, today I went to the dentist and they made my mouth big. I know it's bigger than my face. And don't blame me. Someone went to the doctors and gave me a fire hat and now it's on the ground. I'm gonna eat it. Oh. How can you see when I